So in this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple way that I view the markets from a price action perspective. And maybe it can help you in your trading, or maybe not. I don't honestly know, but I am going to share with you how I've been crushing this prop firm challenge so far and how my account flip has been going. Both of those have been going very well. Will it continue? I don't know, but we're certainly going to find out here, right? I could definitely fail the prop firm challenge, or I may pass it, but we're certainly going to find out here. So trading really can be this simple. I'm going to share with you the charts in a minute, and then I'm going to go through a full week in review of how my account flip's going. I'm going to share with you my prop account, and I'm going to share with you how I find these key levels in this video that may or may not help you in your trading. But first, I have to say I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice at all. Trading is super risky. You can lose all of your capital, in some cases even more. Everything I'm sharing with you here on YouTube, Telegram, Discord, anywhere online for that matter, is simply for educational and entertainment purposes only. My results are not typical, and it takes a lot of skill to do what I'm doing. I've been trading for 15 years, and I have no idea what kind of trader you are, so I don't even know if it will work for you. All right, I'm just sharing what has been working for me, and my past performance is no guarantee whatsoever of my future performance. All right, with that said, let's hop over to the charts because now I'm going to get into the good stuff for you guys here. All right, here's my prop firm challenge. It's phase one, and this has been going really well. The way I've been trading here, I've just been on a crazy win streak. Will it continue? I don't know, to be quite honest with you, but I'm going to share with you how I'm drawing up these key levels. You can check it out there. There's a $100,000 deposit. The prop firm, now the prop firms, they are demo account in the challenge phases and even beyond the challenge phases here. So you can see here the wins, the losses, and I'm sitting at about, I don't know, what is that, $106,653 dollars in this demo account here. And you can see my wins here. Really awesome and just moving along. I am very confident that I'll get past phase one here shortly. I may have some setbacks. You never know what's going to happen, right? I don't have some crystal ball here, but that's how this has been getting on. I wanted to show you this first before I get into the charts. Now let's look at my other account that I've been trying to flip. So here it is. This is my personal account that I started with about $174. Let me see if I can pull up a history here so you can see the trades. All right, here is my trading history. You can see the wins, you can see the losses, and I can honestly say these small losses are me taking break evens. All right, and I'm going to just briefly discuss what's going on with this account right here because the broker I'm using, I've had some technical issues. Even though I've had some technical setbacks, I'm still at $509 equity, up from about $174. So I've almost 3x the account since about the middle of November. Now, honestly, this account should be sitting at about 800 or 900 bucks right now. So I had some issues, and I'm going to tell you what they were here real quick. The first issue I had was last night. I had a trade that I took on my prop account, my prop challenge account, but I couldn't execute in my live account. Why? Because my broker decided to get rid of MT4 and MT5, and I was sitting in a parking lot with my daughter at her cheerleading practice, and I had no mobile phone to trade off of. The platform they're using now, I can only trade on desktop. So I was really irritated with that. So I should have had another win on this account. I couldn't take it there. And then there were some execution delays in a couple of trades that forced me to take a loss, a little loss right here. It wasn't much, and you know, I'll give this broker the benefit of the doubt there. It was about a 4 or 6 second delay because the markets are moving around really fast. So that's what happened there. There were a couple trades that I missed too because it was around the Thanksgiving holiday. But all said and done here, it seems to be going pretty well. My goal is to get this up to 1,000. Will it happen? You know, I don't know, but I'm going to share it with you guys, and you know, you guys will see if I get there or not. For me, trading can be really simple sometimes. Well, yeah, sometimes. Most days I'm just like you guys, and I'm entering positions, and I'm thinking, is this going to work out? Well, I just got to follow my plan, follow my system. I am really strict on my rules. So I'm going to share with you how to draw up key levels. And I do use other confluences to enter these trades. But the key levels are an awesome starting point. And they're super easy to draw. Anybody can draw these. There is a bit of discretion in them where you place that line. So here's just a quick example of a trade setup that I had today. I didn't actually take this one. because I didn't think it was going to work out. But here is the level right here I had drawn up. Now, to draw these levels, they're really, really easy. Basically, this is what's happening, right? Price is coming down and it has making these lower lows. And while it's doing that, when support becomes resistance, that's generally an area of interest. Now, not all the time. What I'm looking for when this actually happens, I want to see a strong move through that level, because what that tells me from a price action perspective, when we have that big push down, just like in this candle right here, all right, that means there were no buy orders in there to take price back up. So what happens is the market wants to gravitate back towards this area, and then magically what is born there is a potential key level. Now, in my Telegram group, everybody saw this here. They saw this level drawn up here the other day, and price literally bounced right off of it to come down here. Today was non-farm payroll on Friday. I did have a setup right around this level here, right around there for a potential sell. I decided not to take it because, you know, I'll be honest with you guys. I've been on a really nice win streak here, and I kind of feel like I should take a loss soon. And this trade actually won here. So what the heck? It just happens in trading, right? But again, I don't know. I don't know how long my win streak is going to continue. Nobody knows, right? But you can find these levels everywhere. Okay, let me just zoom out here and show you some more. All right, here is price making a low right here and a low right here. It comes back up and it rejects right in this area. Okay, right here, big rejection. All right, rejection in here. So we know that this could be a potential critical area. And then when I drop down on the lower time frames, I'm then looking for other confluences for my entry. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at a few other areas here. All right, look at this right here. Super easy to spot these areas on a chart. All right, right here, rejection, 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 big push down through the area. All right, cracks this low, comes back up, and look at that right there, a nice rejection. So for me, that tells me it's an area of interest here. All right, there will probably be one here, and then I might also have one right in this area when and if price does eventually come back and try to grab this particular bar right here. All right, I would say right about there would be another area of interest for me. Okay. Also at the bottom, it can become quite obvious. Look at this. If I look further over here, all right, I did have an area of interest drawn up earlier today, right down here. Okay, you can see it right in this area. Now this was the previous day. All right, look at this right here. Resistance potentially becomes support. So when you see these areas on the chart, you can draw these up here and use them as areas of interest, and then look for other confluences for a potential setup. And that's exactly what I do. I'm looking for a multitude of other confluences on lower time frames to take a potential trade here in the markets. And in doing that, that's how I'm able to do stuff like this on the prop challenges. Now, my confluence of what I use is very, very specific to me. All right. I use a very specific setup to take my trades. And if it's not there, I just don't take it. All right. And what that does is it does cause me to miss some trades. All right. A lot of winners, but it also takes out a lot of trades that may have ended up losing for me here. So this is how my week's been getting on. I did launch a Discord community, which is going really well. So people are coming in over there and we're going through the whole market analysis, and I'm providing all that education and value there. So what do I have coming up in the next week? Well, I'm going to continue growing this prop account. I really wish I took that trade today because I'd probably be almost at my target to get past phase 1 today, but it is what it is. There's always another trade here. I'm going to continue following my plan, moving this forward. I'm probably going to leave my broker because now they're using ActTrade and I can't trade mobile. It's like, what the heck? That's, maybe there'll be a mobile option or later, but I'm probably going to pull out my funds that I am trying to flip there and put them into another broker that has MT4, MT5, because it's just so much easier to use that platform. And what really stinks about that is that I'm going to have to pull my funds out, and then I'm going to get banged up with a crypto fee to pull them out, and then banged up with another crypto fee to put them back into another broker here. So I'm kind of trying to hang on there, but honestly, I don't even know how to execute a trade in this platform yet. I don't even know how to put, it's not even clear how to like put in like a stop or not a stop, but a take profit. So I'm probably just going to say the heck with that and just move my money over to another broker, and then I'll continue flipping that account here. It's been an awesome week. A lot of action in the markets here, and I'm not someone who just says it's December, I'm not going to trade. I don't really believe in that, at least not for me in the way I'm trading. I just will continue doing what I'm doing here. The holidays are coming up, so I'm getting ready for that here. It's been busy. I got a large family, so I got a lot going on with that coming up. Christmas parties, kids events, the whole 9 yards. Like, yeah, I was at cheer practice trying to take a trade here last night. This one that's highlighted right here. This UJ trade was crazy. I literally got in and it hit my TP within, like, I don't know, 20 seconds. Which is a really awesome trade here. So if you want to see a lot of those trades again, hop into my Telegram group. I am sharing some details there with what I'm looking at in the market here. And again, I don't make any promises or anything here, guys. It's just, well, I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and you know, what's going on with my prop account here, and of course my live account that I'm trying to flip there. It's Friday. It's the weekend here. What's really helping me in this particular challenge and what I'm doing with my account flip is staying disciplined. I cannot tell you guys how important that is to stay disciplined and not get upset. I did have a winning setup today that I should have taken, and I didn't get mad. I wish I've taken it, but I don't let it bother me because I know next week there will be more setups here. So my plan is to potentially have this thing passed maybe by January. I don't know. I could pass it like in a couple days maybe. I mean, I got to lose sometime here, so I'm thinking I'll have a small setback and then maybe, you know, start growing the account again. But that'll be phase 1, and then phase 2 is 5%. That'll be really cool, and then I'll be on to just getting more. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the Telegram group there, and check out the Discord community that I did create. I do have those links posted up in the Telegram group here as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all are doing well in your trading journey, and I will continue to share how mine is getting on here. So once again, thanks a lot, and make it a great one.